Hi, I'm Maddie Alcala, president of Gooten and OrderMesh. I'm talking today a bit about where the company is headed into 2026, which is going to be our most exciting year yet. Gooten was founded over a decade ago, and during that time, we've shipped millions of print on demand orders, worked with thousands of brands, and broken a few things along the way as we've scaled a global POD supply chain. What we've learned about this space is that the industry doesn't necessarily need more production capacity or new products or different product editor tooling. Those things are important, but that's not what we're here to solve for. We believe the print on demand industry needs a fundamental rethink from a technology architecture perspective, the systems that connect supply and demand together and ultimately facilitate order flow. That's why in 2021, we started building a platform that's now called OrderMesh, which is the operating system for global print on demand fulfillment. OrderMesh is an order management system at its core, and it connects brands, marketplaces, decorators, printers, distributors, anyone in the ecosystem, and gives them tooling to orchestrate how orders flow across print methods, facilities, and most importantly, systems. It's a cloud native platform, so it scales automatically. It's intelligent, so it gets better with use. And it's already powering some of the most complex operations in our industry, including Taylor Corporation, our parent company, and a 50-year powerhouse in print in North America. If you've been in the print on demand space at any type of scale, you know the pain points associated with growth in this industry. Manual interventions that slow everything down just to get orders fulfilled. SKU architecture and data that doesn't make sense and isn't necessarily the same across suppliers. Systems that don't talk to each other and that are often older than you are. Vendor networks that feel more like tangled webs than actual networks. We felt that pain as a business too. Our customers have felt it. And frankly, we've gotten tired of band aid solutions from a technology perspective. We set out to solve this with OrderMesh and frankly, deliver more powerful solutions than ever to brands who need it who are looking at how they can scale globally with print on demand production. Imagine this, and this is where we're going in 2026. A fulfillment network 10 times larger than what we have today, truly global reach. A catalog that expands from hundreds of thousands of SKUs to millions. Options to work directly with a print vendor or receive support from the Gooten team, if that's what makes the most sense for your business. More integration, more routing flexibility, fewer bottlenecks in getting work routed to vendors, compatibility with any editor, commerce platform, ERP, or other existing system that you're using. And here's the even more exciting part. We're not just stopping with print on demand. We're adding new fulfillment strategies, new production types. Print on demand is so much bigger than how it's been defined, and we're here to shape that conversation. We thought we were solving our own problems when we started building OrderMesh, but it turns out we're actually solving problems for the industry, and we're so excited. Here's what happens next. If you're an existing Gooten customer, your account at Gooten.com stays available. And we're going to be reaching out to select customers in early 2026 to talk about whether switching to our OrderMesh tech stack is going to make sense for your business. If you're new to checking out Gooten and OrderMesh, I encourage you to have a closer look and have a conversation with our team. We're already proving ourselves with some of the most demanding businesses out there. Let's talk about what we can do for yours. This chapter of Gooten is more ambitious than anything we've built before. It's more aligned with what modern commerce demands. We're really proud of what we built, but we can't wait for what happens next.